Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Capcut video editor on your PC. So if you want to download the Capcut video editor on your PC, then let me show you how to do this. So on your PC, you want to first go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Here in search, you want to go ahead and type on Capcut. In the search results, you want to go ahead and visit this first link, which is www.capcut.com. Now once the page loads up, you'll get to the download page here. Go ahead and tap on download. Once the page loads up, it'll then start to download Capcut. Go ahead and choose where you want to install it. So now download the installer on your desktop or on your machine. Go to the location where you downloaded it, right click on it, tap on Run as Administrator. And now the Capcut application will be installed to your PC. Now once that's installed, it'll start to test your environment. So it'll basically check your PC specs and see if it's compatible with it. And as you can see, it'll give you the message, your computer can run Capcut smoothly, so go ahead and confirm that. And then Capcut will open up. And there you go guys, that is how to open up. And there you go guys, that is how to install Capcut on your PC.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. And